So we've got a new front wheel and tire setup for the car. There it is right there. Here is what was on it. Let's actually weigh this and see how much it actually weighs, and then also put on the new wheel and see how it looks. And then when we come back from the actual tire shop and whatnot, we'll put the new wheel and tire setup on there and we'll see how much it weighs. Let's do it. So the current wheel and tire setup currently weighs 60.8 pounds for one wheel. That's just insane. Oh crap. Now, just to put in perspective, this is Carroll Shelby wheels, authentic Carroll Shelby wheels. I believe this is 9.5 by 20. And then for the tires, we have Nitto G2s, which are 275. Where is it? 275. 35, yeah, 275, 35, 20s. So that's how much that weighs. And I believe I have 36 PSI on this for what it's worth. But let's put on the new wheel and just see what it looks like on the car. And we might as well just weigh that too. So we got the new wheel on here and it weighs 26.1 pounds. 26.1 pounds. Let's go ahead and slap this bad boy on the car and see how she looks. And here is what the new wheel setup on the front is going to look like. Now, that's what it looks like total. It looks pretty crazy, to be honest with you. Now, I'm contemplating actually getting the outer rim of that painted gloss black. I'm thinking about it to match the gloss black rim there. So it'll be pretty unique for a weld setup to look like that. But we'll just have to see. I mean, the chrome does match with the chrome back here. I was worried about it, but if you look at it, it does match. It is the same like kind of color, and there is some chrome there, but I'm not a huge chrome guy, to be honest with you. I like the black, the murdered out look, but this does set the car apart pretty good. Let me know what you think. Would you keep it the way it looks now, or would you do what I said and get the outer rim painted gloss black? Now let's throw the tire that's going to be going onto it onto here and see how much that weighs. Oh, come on. So we're looking at 30.8. So overall, it looks like we're saving maybe, what is that, 4 pounds? 5 pounds, something like that. So not too shabby. These are heavier than I thought they were. I looked them up and they're supposed to be like 22 pounds. They were 26, so it's kind of weird. But let's go ahead and go get these put on there for real, put air, and see how they look on the car. So here we go. Let's go ahead and put the setup on the scale and see how much it weighs. Roughly 55.9 pounds. Okay, so 56, and the other one was like what? Almost 60. So we're saving about 8 pounds. Total, nothing too crazy, but still not that bad. One thing I will mention is these say they're 22 pounds on Lethal Performance website, and then on Drag Racing Wheels they say they're 24.5 pounds. That just doesn't add up, so it's sad to see that the weights of the welds are higher than advertised on 2 different websites. So it is what it is, but we're still saving weight and we still have a pretty sick setup. So yeah. It's still worth it to save weight, especially rotational mass. And here is what she looks like on the car. Absolutely amazing. I do think that painting the outer rim of it where it's chrome and it meets the black around the circle would probably be best if it was gloss black. But overall, I would say the car still looks mean. And yeah, just let me know what you think, what the setup looks like. Have you ran any welds before? Before closing out, the reason why I'm running those is not very many people are running Lethal Performance's rear wheel setup. I didn't want skinnies in the front, although these are 19 by 9s, so they are a small wheel and tire setup that still gives me good daily ability, but not very many people are running those, so I want to be a little bit different. Let me know what you think. Like the video, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.